No need to mope as you coil your rope. What the hell?
Yeah. Sorry.
Ah.
Shoo! Shoo! It's taken me ages to grow this.
Hi, Maggie. Asparagus ready to harvest, then?
Hi, Shane. Oh, this crow won't leave me crops alone. Get off my asparagus, you'll ruin it.
Oh, no! Get lost, you! We've got to pick that asparagus.
Oh, Shane! Shane, watch out for the bucket and the hose pipe.
Ah!
No!
Shoo! Come on, get away with you. Come on, get... Hey! Ah!
Watch out, Shane! That's fresh compost. Oh, dear.
I hope JG's having more luck with his drone.
I'm back! You need a tweak! Oh, calamity.
Any sign of the red-billed chough, Dad?
Not yet, Jay. But keep your eyes and ears open and...
Dad, that sounds like
Like a woodpecker using a drill.
or a seagull riding a motorbike.
It's coming from over there. Over there. We're getting closer. Oh, this way, I think.
He's in the asparagus again, Maggie.
Shh! Quietly, Shane.
We've got him. Ah!
Oh.
Ooh. Ah! Hey, come back here, you. Gotcha. Oh, no, I haven't.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
Hey? Hey? Oh, I'm hungry.
I give up. I've lost them. Whoa! Yes!
Thanks, Mario.
There you are.
There. That's all of them. Thanks, everyone.
And thanks for all these eggs. I'd better get cooking or it'll be lunchtime soon.
Scrambled eggs coming up.
You must never wander off again, hens. Do you hear me? Oh, Snowy, you are a naughty hen.
Izzy, can you give me a hand serving?
Coming, Dad. Behave yourself, Snowy.
Right, let's get cooking. Fried eggs for Mario, an omelette for Mama Polenta,
Oh, omelette. My favourite.
with a sprinkling of fresh parsley to make it sing.
Did someone say sing? Boil 'em, bake 'em, scramble 'em, fry 'em. Everyone likes their eggs.
Here he is, Shane the chef.
I think that's the one I need.
I told you, I used to be pretty good at this. The secret is to stay nice and quiet. Oh. Hey, don't go. No. Let's get a look at you.
Hey, wow.
Oh, is that on your list?
Yes, Robin. Got it.
Well, you found your robin, but I've still not found my blackberries. Ouch!
Ooh.
Ow!
Squirrel. Got it.
Now, where are those blackberry bushes, huh? Oh, Nothing.
Dad, look.
What? Oh!
Blackbird. Got it.
I just don't understand it. Still no blackberries.
Never mind, Dad. I only have to spot a hedgehog, and that's the lot.
Look! A hedgehog!
Where, Dad?
No, come back, little fella. Izzy's got to tick you off. Where do you go? There's got to be in here somewhere.
Hedgehog. Got it. All done. I got the hedgehog, Dad. Can we go home now?
Yes, but I'm, stuck.
Dad.
Oof. Told you we'd get your homework done.
Here he is, Shane the Chef.
Piggy! Where are you, little pig? Here, Piggy. Are you around here? Out you come. Piggy! Pig! Pig! Pig!
Here, Pig.
Where is that pig?
Piggy. Here, Piggy. Where are you, Pig?
Can you hear that?
Oh, that's gotta be Pig.
Oh. Izzy, what's the pig's name?
I don't think he's got one. He's only just arrived. Maybe Jay can help.
Okay. Hey, Jay!
Yes?
Have you seen a pig?
A pig? In the town? Well, pigs are very intelligent animals. They like to wander and explore.
Here he is, Shane the Chef.
Your raspberries look lovely, Maggie.
Try one.
These are great. They'll win first prize for the best fruit for sure.
As long as Jolly doesn't get to them first. Shoo, Jolly! Off you go! Get out! Get out of it! Go on! Dear me.
Wow! Is that your pumpkin for the best vegetable competition? It's bigger than my marrow.
Maybe. But the judges will be looking at all kinds of things, Izzy. Hey, why don't you give it a last polish while I load up the van?
Good idea. Come on, Marrow. You can grow.
Better get my skates on.
No need for skates. Not with my magnificent pronto peeler.
Sizzling saucepans. Wow! I mean, what?
Just pop your veggies in here and let the pronto peeler do the rest.
Okay. Well, let's give it a go.
To you, Eddie. Whoops.
Hey, be careful. Oh, are you okay?
Sorry, Izzy. What's that? And why are you talking to it?
It's my marrow. I'm trying to make it grow bigger in time for the show, but it doesn't seem to be working.
What's a marrow?
It's a vegetable, Mario.
You know, my mama sometimes sings to her flowers to make them grow. We could try that.
Okay, let's give it a try.
Oh, lovely marrow, please grow for Izzy. If she doesn't win a prize, she'll get in a tizzy.
Mario! The pumpkin! Phew, that was close.
Eddie.
Here he is, Shane the Chef.
Sam! What are you doing back here?
Go on without me, Shane. The old sea legs have let me down.
Come on, Sam. We trained for this run together, so that's how we'll finish it.
Right, you are.
Where's Mum?
And where's the donkey?
Look, there he is. Oh, and your mum, and Mario.
Oh, we made it!
Yes!
Oh, I did it.
Yay! Come on, Sam, you can do it.
Now you stay here this time.
Yeah, well done, Sam.
Thanks, Shane. I guess there is life in these old sea legs yet.
Of course there is, Sam. All those healthy meals really helped us train.
And they were lovely.
And the winner of the adult run is Penny Sink. Attention, everyone! Good news! We have raised enough money to get a place for Donkey at the local sanctuary. Give yourselves a cheer.
Yay!
Yay! Did it!
I couldn't have done it without you, Sam.
Hooray!
And let's hear it for Donkey.
He's not there.
Where is he?
Oh, I thought I tied him up. Oh dear. Not again.